making cookies. She's doing such a good job. The little girls, they're hanging on to Mama for dear life.
Alright, put it on the plate. Smush it flat.
Ooh, such a good job. Got the little ones. Kind of reminds me of that commercial where the guy's walking with the cats on the bottom of the... Here, Aunt KK's getting in to help. Yeah, buddy.
How's that change next?
Yeah, buddy. Sarah and Savannah. Savannah's in pink, smiling the big smile. There's Sarah. She's in purple.
Good job.
Whoops. I think I burnt the little cookies. Yeah, these are the first cookies. I think we burnt the little ones. Woo, this one's crawling to the stove. Yeah. Yeah, she makes me nervous. She makes me nervous. That's what me mommies do. They get nervous. Don't they? Don't they, Savannah? Oh, she's fallen.
Whoa! Thank you.
This is such good bonding time with the Shorrell girls. So much fun. So much fun.